Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off camera in FaceTime. Let's begin. So yes, there are people like me who's not comfortable on turning my camera on for video calls. Say for example, if it's just informal calls in a way, it's not like a job interview or a meeting with your boss, then I don't need to turn my camera on. Or for those people who hasn't washed their faces yet or hasn't taken a bath, so they would opt not to turn their cameras on. Now, just like in any call application, say Zoom or so FaceTime is pretty much the same. That if you want to turn off the camera, all you need to do is just to tap on the camera or video icon that's in there. So I'm just showing you a screenshot. So when I was on FaceTime earlier, um, when you're going to see this icon right here, just beside the microphone, or yeah, the microphone, just tap on that one, guys, to disable, and then you will be able to turn off your camera. You could also go to support.apple.com because there are tips and tricks in there on how you would be able to manage your camera on your phone. So it says here, as far as instructions are concerned, turning off your camera when you're on a FaceTime call, tap the screen to make the controls appear, then tap this icon, and then tap it again to turn the camera back on. So there are cases, guys, wherein the icons are not actually available when you're on your FaceTime. All you need to do is just tap the screen again, so all of these icons would actually show up. All right. So if you want to learn more about FaceTime features and some tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.